Well, good morning to everyone. This week, we're going to be working on fungus, bacteria, and viruses. We're going to talk about how they affect the body, how the body reacts to them, and if there's any vaccines that we can use for any of these things, and how that works, and what um, different treatments there might be. So that's going to be our work for this week. We're going to start off in workshop with this particular assignment. And this one is, I will show you in a second. Here I have some pictures of viruses, bacteria, fungus. Um, I explain here about the four standards that we're going to be, these are the four standards we need to cover. And then as I go down here, this is going to be the first assignment that you work on. You work on this Monday in workshop. So you are going to look up what effect does a virus have on the human body, and you're going to answer it. You're going to find a virus that humans pick up, and then you're going to do that for bacteria. You're also going to tell what are the effects of this virus on humans. Okay. Same thing with bacterial disease. Going to go through the same different questions. Okay. You're going to answer them on here. You're going to turn them in on Google Classroom. Don't forget to turn it in on Google Classroom when you're done. Okay. So that's going to cover one of those standards. And that will be your assignment in workshop, either Monday or Tuesday. Okay? All right. Work hard in workshop and get this done. Okay. See you.